Like I said, I mean, I'll trade it. I'll trade just about anything because I'm basically a technical trend trader. And my kind of bread and butter is just watching the daily chart, commodities and stocks only on the long side. The only stock markets indices I really bother to trade are the American ones, the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100. So if Bitcoin does make a record high close tonight, I will be entering a long position. I am the chief analyst at Daily Forex. And I'm mostly a trend and momentum trader. I'll trade all kinds of things. I'll trade Forex. I'll trade commodities, which I'm especially fond of on the long side, but I'll get into that. Yeah, I actually spent, I think, about a year day trading, thinking that I had enough money to do it, and I really didn't. And I just burned a fair chunk of my savings really for about a year, thinking I was going to become this real full-time trader. But I learned so much from that. Like, it kind of taught me not all the what nots to do, but it did teach me some hard lessons. My start was a lot harder. Like, I think that would have been good for me, like you say, like to start with some success, because it depends on your psychology. Like, I find it hard to kind of be happy with things working well. Like, I'm kind of tend to be a bit
You
pessimistic by nature. But then it's hard to take losses. Like, I would actually say one of the hardest things about being a trader is accepting that you're going to take losses sometimes and just watching the money vanish, and having to kind of keep stepping up to the plate even after a series of losses when
yeah.
you're watching your money shrink is really, really hard. And that actually was the main block for me. Everyone has their thing, or everyone tends to have their thing that can make it hard for them.